Alright, I'm back out here at the Bellefonte Road, County Route 33 in Hollywood, Alabama. And as some of y'all have probably heard, there was an accident here Saturday where 201 struck a car trying to cross the tracks. Fortunately, no one was killed. And the 70-year-old driver, she only suffered minor injuries. However, the accident knocked down this signal here, and as you can see, Norfolk Southern has since installed a new one. However, interestingly enough, this signal came from Alabama Street in Courtland, as I'll show you shortly. First off, the new signal, as you can see, it still has Dureco base. And we've got the emergency information. This crossing's dot number is 731698B. If you look down here, you can see there's another dot number right here, 731895P, which is Alabama Street's dot number, which can be confirmed just by looking at the older emergency information tacked on right here, where you can see it says Alabama Street. This signal has the front lights are safe turn 12 by 20 inch lights. The rear lights are safe turn 12 by 24 inch lights, which means there's, as you can see, they're all safe tran. Which means sadly those Martin Industries lights right there on that signal are the last ones on this last ones in use on the Memphis District East End. But yeah, this on the Memphis District East End between Sheffield, Alabama and Chattanooga, Tennessee. That way is looking east towards Chattanooga through Stevenson. That way is looking west towards Sheffield through Decatur. But yeah, I guess I am lucky that I went ahead and recorded this side when I caught that SC80 Mac towards the end of last year, because that signal got replaced. Which means that which is kind of a shame, because that's a really nice signal, but hey, he went to use some. I mean, the current signal is kind of a bit weird, so I'll have to get back out here and try and record it in the evening again like this. I'm gonna have to be getting on home shortly anyways, so so yeah, just a quick update to Alabama Street and Bellefonte Road in Hollywood, Alabama. Over and out.